What's up, everyone? Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you've never been here before and decided to pop in over this video, thanks. I appreciate it. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write a PowerShell script that will back up the data in your computer. Now, whether you want to do a full PC backup of all your data, meaning pictures, documents, videos, whatever, you can do that. Or even if you just want to make a small backup and tell the script, hey, move data from this folder to this folder at certain times. I'm going to show you how to do that today. So, real easy, guys. Head on over to chat.openai.com. You actually do not have to sign up an account to use it. I recommend that you do because if you don't, it won't save everything that you do. And if you want to refer back to something, just easier to have an account and refer back to it. I'm actually not logged into mine, so we're just going to do this without signing in. Anyway, guys, this is real easy. So we're going to tell ChatGPT, create a PowerShell script that backs up data from a source path to a destination source path. And it's as simple as that, guys, telling ChatGPT basically what to do here. So let's, once we have that in there, communicate to it what we want. We just hit enter. And it will create you a whole entire PowerShell script that you can run to back up your data. And it takes a few seconds here, which is not bad. After it creates the script, it will just give you a little bit more information here. And it will also tell you basically how to use it. So you see here, it says, yes, here's a script that you can do. Here is the script itself. And when we get ready, we'll hit that to copy it, to copy that text in there. And then right down here, it kind of tells you what it did. Script takes two parameters, source path and destination path, which is what we asked it to do. And then it kind of tells you how to use it. You can run the script from a PowerShell command or save it as a .ps1 file and execute it, which is what we're going to do. And it kind of gives you an example of what you can name it. And also gives you an example of, source destination. So with this being said, guys, let's just go ahead. I'm going to copy this code and we're going to minimize. And I'm just going to search Notepad. So you just want a basic text editor. Let me pull that from my other screen here. Okay, and so then what we're going to do is we're just going to right click and paste. So there is your PowerShell script. Now, once you have this in here, a couple things I want you to look at. It just created a sample source and a sample destination path, okay? So we might want to edit this to what we want. Now, I've got a couple File Explorer windows open here. Now, this is my source path. I created these earlier. Now, my source path is the E drive/test, and my destination is F drive/E-backup. So I can actually simply, this easy, click in here and just right click and copy this path for the source. Then we'll go in here and where it says source, we can just wipe this out, right click and hit paste. And so that is the source path. And we'll do the same over here for destination. Right click that and hit copy. Go right here, right click and paste, and that puts our destination in there. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to save this. So you'll do File and Save As. I just want to throw it on the desktop. And I'm just going to call this Backup. Now, we don't want to save it as a text, so you want to choose All Files here. And at the end of Backup, you want to do .ps1. So we're on the desktop. This is the file name. We save that. And right here, you will see the script that we just created. So let's just minimize this. Now I want to show you this is empty here. F drive and then the E backup folder. So there it is there. And if we go back, here's test. We've got data in there. We're just going to leave it right here for now. Now, if I right click this, you're going to go to run and it will pop up this little window. And it does its thing fairly quick because it's not really copying many files over right now. So you'll see those files are still in here at their source. But if we go into the destination, they are also in there. So you've created a PowerShell script using ChatGPT to tell it to back up data. Now, you can do one of two things. You can just leave this on your desktop or wherever you want. And when you think about it, just right click it and run it. And this will, sync up. That'll copy your data over there. So if anything changes, say you add more files here and want to back them up here, you can run that manually, or you can actually create a task through Windows Task Scheduler that will do it for you. You can tell it to do it every hour, every day, every week, whatever you want. And the task scheduler, if you just go to your start menu, type task, hit that. This is your task scheduler here. We're not going to go into that today. I actually have another video out there, and I will link that down below if that is the route that you decide to take. But yeah, guys, anyway, that is it. How to create a quick script to back up your data. Now, if we want to take it even further, this is how cool ChatGPT is. It already wrote this script, right? And gave you a sample source and sample destination. But say, for instance, you know what your source and your destination is. You can actually tell ChatGPT, rewrite this script and make the source path, what was it? E slash, got what it was, but let's take a look. Okay, it was just E slash test. And the destination path, F slash colon slash, what was that? And that was just E dash backup. So if you actually know the source and the destination, you can tell it to rewrite it, or just do this from the beginning, hit enter, and it rewrites the whole script. Now we're not going to save it and go through all that stuff again, but as you can see right here, it actually did put the proper path for the source and destination in there for you. So when you create this, you didn't have to go in there and change it. It automatically does it. And you can change this at any time. Just come back to your script here, right click on it, hit edit, and you can change any of this time. Anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. If this helped you out or if you thought it was cool, let me know. Let me know if you use ChatGPT and how you use it. It's a cool, fun little tool. Anyway, guys, click the like if it helped you out and consider subscribing. Thanks, guys.